Connect one connector end of the test wire to the cigarette lighter adapter. Connect one end of the two connectors of the test wire to the monitor. Connect the other end of the test wire's two connectors to the camera. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. When the rear view loses the signal, you need to pair the signal. Press the OK key to turn off the recording. Press the Up key to switch to the rear view. Connect the RV camera to the power outlet. Long press the OK key. When the pairing icon appears on the screen, it means pairing is in progress. An image appears on the screen, indicating a successful pairing. Press the Up key to switch to the split mode.